Hello, everyone. This is Dana from NexGen. And this morning, I tried to turn on the TV. Well, I turned on the TV, and then I also turned on the cable box so the TV could come on. But for some reason, this power button didn't come on. So I actually went up to it and pressed it, and nothing happened. So you know what I did? I unplugged it. Went outside, walked around for about 10, 15, 22 minutes, came back and plugged it in. You know what happened? It reset. It worked. See? So what have I learned from it? When things don't work properly, you have to step back, unplug, and reset. Have a great week. Talk to you soon.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can never miss another video.